Drill press, understanding the term in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, drill press. This phrase can be quite specific, but it's a great example of how English combines words to form new meanings. So, let's dive in and understand what a drill press is all about. Drill press is a compound noun made up of two words, drill and press. Drill refers to a tool or machine used for making holes in hard materials like wood, metal, or plastic. It's a common word in construction or DIY projects. Press, in this context, implies a machine that applies pressure to something. In other machines, a press might be used to shape or flatten objects. When combined, drill press describes a specific type of machine that uses pressure to hold and operate a drill. A drill press is a powerful tool found in workshops and manufacturing settings. It stands on the floor or a bench and consists of a base, column, table, spindle, and drill head. It's used for drilling precise and consistent holes. The key feature of a drill press is its ability to apply steady pressure and maintain the drill's alignment, which handheld drills can't always do. Understanding its components and functionality helps in visualizing what a drill press is and how it operates. In learning English, the context in which words are used is crucial. The term drill press might be unfamiliar unless you're talking about tools or machinery. Knowing the context can help you understand and remember new phrases more easily. In everyday conversation, you might not use drill press often. However, in a technical or vocational setting, it's a common and important term. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, drill press. I hope this video has made it clear and you now feel more comfortable with this term. English is full of such compound nouns, and understanding them can be both fun and educational. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious and keep learning.